I went a few miles out of the way to come to Cedar Breaks National Monument, and I am glad I did. It is a little cold, but it feels really good. The weather, this is the very first cold weather that it's getting here this season. It's already snowing right now. Other things are getting its very first dusting of snow. You can see the snow out in the distance coming down. The light is breaking through. This is a perfect time to come out here and visit this. And again, there's just nobody around. I've seen like 2 people the entire time I've been up here. So have a look all around this. This is definitely view of the day, maybe even view of the week.